do?
What did you do, Nago? Buddha, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything.
I don't know
Nago,
what happened.
what did you do?
Dancing, dude.
How fucked up are you, Kevin?
How fucked up are you,
Very
Kevin?
Good, dude. Watch him.
Look how good he's dancing, though.
Skilled.
What's that leg, Kevin? You! Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those moves. That's skill. Dude, that's like majestic like a unicorn. You're out of this world. You should be illegal. Your moves are so awesome.
What's your face? It's Kate Frizzy.
It's Kate
Go
Frizzle.
K-Fresh. Go K-Fresh. Oh, look at that skill.
Ooh,
oh my
look at
God.
that.
Nice move, dude. Nice move.
I wish I was that skilled. Dang. Oh my God, you got Kevin. Some move on ya. Go on, Jack.
Do your box thing. The Tetris thing. The Tetris thing.
Come on,
The Tetris
Kevin.
thing.
Bust it out. Bust it out.
The
Go,
Tetris
Kevin.
thing. Your finger thing.
Go, Kevin.
Do the Tetris. The Tetris.
The finger thing, the finger thing.
The Tetris. The
Do
Tetris.
finger. Yeah. Oh, the finger.
Oh my God, dude, that's fucking skilled.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
Nice. That's cool, dude.
He got it.
Oh, that's sick.
Donkey still got it, dude.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, look at
Keep
that.
going, Kevin. Yeah, work from the bottom.
Look at that
Work
leg.
from the
Where's
bottom.
that leg, Kevin? Go, Kevin. Go, Kevin. Work it. Work it.
I got a question. Did you learn this on YouTube?
Do your toasting. Do your toasting.
I think I. Oh.
Cover girl.
No, toe thing, Kevin. What the fuck is that? Yeah,
Do the
Kevin.
toe
Kevin.
stand. Toe stand.
Kevin. No, get off your ass.
Toe stand.
Get off your ass.
Nice. Nice move off the stick.
Kevin. Kevin.
Do your toaster, Kevin.
Boom.
I can't do it anymore.
Do it.
Come on, Kevin.
1, 2,
Finish
3.
your
Come on.
house.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
Jack.
Oh, nice.
Skill.
Go, Kevin.
Nice,
Go,
dude.
Yeah.
Nice. That was nice, dude.
I give you a
Good
pop
job.
for that one, bro.
Good job,
That
yo.
was
That was good, dude.
Kevin, props, dude.
That was good, dude. That was pretty good.
sick, bro.
Props.
Are you
to
fucked
him.
up or not even?